Hello, fam. Good morning, fam. How are you? Happy week. Yeah. Hope you are enjoying your week. Hope you are profitable, sha. So let's just quickly dive into our what we have before chop or before the market leave us. You already know my name is Aboyg001. Aboyg001. Kindly don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, like, and don't forget to turn up the notification button. Notification button since before this video meaningful and useful. So to help other people, just turn on the notification button so that if I drop new video, you'll be the first one to watch, to notify that I've dropped video and be the first one to watch it. So all my subscriber, one love. I really appreciate for the support. So let's quickly dive into the chart and see what we have and what the chart has for us. For the fundamental analysis, what we just have, there is no high impact news. There's no high impact news for fundamental analysis. If you see USA did not give us high impact news, we just have low impact news. Those are the news we have. For that is it. That is. Let's see where on Thursday. This is Thursday. This is Thursday. I think we have high impact news. We have CPI, which is tentative also. It may be cancelled and it may be delayed. You understand? Let's see Friday. I think PPI, we have PPI because CPI and PPI are inflation. So we have PPI also. So that is it. Let's quickly move into the chart and see what chart has for us. You already know. Let's quickly see what the market has for us so that we can react to it. We cannot predict the market, we react to the market. You understand? Stop using the word predict for the market because we are not the one controlling the market. We as a retail trader, we trade for what? To make profit, and the big boys they trade what? To control the market. So those big boys are the one controlling the market from the major bank, which is central bank, to the EOB, which is electric brokers. I think, yeah, to the EOB from major bank, which is central bank, to the EOB, which is what? Which is EOB, which is electronic broking service, which they are brokers. You understand? From them, we have minor banks, which are commercial bank like UBA, GTB, First Bank. Those are commercial bank, while the central bank are the ones. And we have the investors, the hedge fund, the corporations. So those are the one to the big boys. So those are the big boys. While we those that we are trading, we are just retailer. Even your mentors is also retail trader. Since him, we can just use professional as a word for him. That is a professional work that it has been in the game for many times, but he just control the market to make profit. Yeah. So let's just react to the market and see what the market is having for us. You understand? So this is good. You understand? I took good yesterday. I make profit yesterday. Seriously, I make profit yesterday, but it's on my competition, further NS competition. Yeah, account that I took the trade. Yeah, from daily time frame, you can see the market has been going uptrend, and this is the supply zone. And if you can see, we move to 4 hours. The market is still in this supply zone, and you can see how the market is reacting to the supply zone, which we just have to be patient at this supply zone. You understand? We just need to be patient. What we need in this supply zone is just patient. We need patience. Since in 4 hours, market has been reacting for. Let's move to 1 hour. This is 1 hour. This is 1 hour. This is 1 hour. And if you can see the 1 hour as 1 hour react to the market, 1 hour give us break of structure, which this is supply zone. And we have what? We have break of structure here. We have what? We have internal change of character. And after the internal change of character, what does the market do? And we have another demand here. You can see this is the previous demand. Market mitigated it. This is where I took the buy yesterday. After market mitigated the demand zone, it gives us the option. It gives us another um break of structure to option, but market is coming down. It gives us internal break of structure with this is supply. I think they said that this was this morning around 1 o'clock. They said this was what just what sell to the and if you can see from this 1 hour, we are having another break of structure here. which market break it turn to internal change of character. So market, this supply zone has not ditched the sell, has not broken this market. I mean, you understand, has not broken this market. So, and this is change of character order block. I'm still expecting market to come back here before dishing us the sell. But as you can see, we are seeing internal change of character to uptrend. So let's just, market is retesting. After market retest, let's see, maybe you can see the change of character. After change of character, you see that. But this demand, you see internal break of structure and demand to uptrend, we need to go to 5 minutes. If we go to 5 minutes, if we can see, if we can see change of character here, but what I'm seeing is retracement, but I'm expecting the market to come down. Seriously, I'm expecting the market to come down to mitigate this place before dishing up. So what I'm seeing in the market, I'm still expecting the market to come back, to come down for 5 minutes. You can see the market. We are seeing. I will count this as break of structure. Market is coming down. I will count this as order block. I'm expecting the market to come down. Seriously, I'm expecting the market to come and mitigate here before dishing the before dishing the before dishing the before dishing the buy. Let me see the sell I took on this good. I took some sell. Yeah, I took some sell, and this is 1,000. Let me just close this trade. Let me just close this trade. This trade. Let me just close it. This is, market has not mitigated my take profit too, but what I'm seeing is retracement. This is retracement. As for me, that is retracement for me for that is retracement for me, because I'm expecting the market to come here. If market mitigated this If market mitigated this supply zone, let me just tell you, if you see the market mitigated this supply zone, what you need to do is just confirm the market for break of structure. If you see change of character on 15, if you see change of character on 5 minute time frame, definitely wait for this change of character order block to mitigate it and take the buy to this change of character order block. You understand? But if you see the market break this place, market is coming here, because you can see this is break of structure to that thing, and this is what. But me, I'm expecting the market to come here, because this place are liquidity. I'm expecting the market to come to this change of character order block, because this place are liquidity. Market is going to sweep from 30-minute time frame. You can see it's liquidity to downtrend, and 50 minutes time frame is telling us liquidity also, because there is FEG here. Each market you see, I'm still expecting market to come down. But to take this trade, we just need to be patient. If we see change of character, market will come to change of character order and dish us the buy to this place, to this place. After this place, if we see change of character to downtrend, definitely we are going to take the down. We are going to take the downtrend. So that's what we have from gold. Let's see silver also. What the silver is doing? Silver, I think silver mitigated this weekly resistance. If you see this our resistance, market has mitigated it, and let's move to daily. Daily we have supply. We have supply here. This is supply for daily. You understand? See the supply on daily. Definitely market is going to mitigate this daily before anything. The reason why market is reacting here is because of the key level, which the key level will serve as liquidity. I'm saying it serve as liquidity. Let's move to 4 hours. This is 4 hours. See what we have for 4 hours. We have break of structure. Market is going to mitigate this and will give us the buy. Yeah, I'm still expecting the buy to this supply zone. To this supply zone. I'm still expecting the buy to this one. Let's move to 1 hour and see this structure very well. This 1 hour, this is what the market is doing on 1 hour. You can see break of structure, and this is the demand zone. I'm expecting the market to come down here. Since we are still in the uptrend, I'm still expecting the market to come down, to come and mitigate this demand zone before anything. Before anything, I'm expecting the market to come down here seriously and meet the supply zone here. I'm expecting the market to mitigate the supply zone here. What we are having now, and let's just wait for the retracement. When the retracement will happen, we take the what? We take the buy. Let's see what is happening on 15 minutes. On 15 minutes, we are not seeing anything. Let's wait for 5 minutes. This is 1 hour. What we are seeing is not just phenomenous. Let's just wait. If you can see, you see this break of structure. Market mitigated here. After mitigated, market give us the buy. So market supposed come here. If market want to respected this market too, this is break of structure, and those places are what liquidity. I'm expecting market to come here seriously to this was the buy, but I'm expecting the market to reach here before ditching the buy. Seriously, this liquidity also. I'm expecting the market to reach down here before ditching us the buy. So this is the demand zone we are expecting the buy on gold. This is the demand zone also. Let's see what the market is doing. Let's see what the market is doing. If market can ditch us the sell, let's see the sell. But if you see break of structure, definitely the market has changed the trend. Seriously, let me see. Let me see the what the profit I am. I have closed this trade. I've closed it. So let's see. The market should come here. I'm expecting the market should come here. Seriously, before anything. Let's move to US30. No, BTC first. This is BTC. What the BTC is doing? From daily time frame, what do we have? See, market mitigated this space. After market mitigated this demand zone, market is giving us uptrend from daily time frame. Let's move to 4 hours. Let's see what is happening on 4 hours. 4 hours. This is what we are having on 4 hours. This is the supply zone market mitigated. After market mitigated the supply zone, market give us break of structure here. You can see the break of structure. You can see the here. Internal change of character, sorry. Because this is break of structure here. This is supply zone here also. Market give us change of character. This is my first supply here. Let's move to 1 hour and see what the trend is telling. You can see the trend is telling us downtrend. So see this is downtrend. This is downtrend. This is supply zone. Let's say flip zone. Sorry for that. Flip zone, and this is change of character. The change of character must close with full body candle. That's why I adjust the market here. Must close with full body candle. The market is giving me the chance trend. Let's market mitigated this. After market mitigated this space, give us change of character from 5 minutes. This serve as liquidity inducement. If we move to 5 minute time frame, if we see for 5 minute time frame, we can see this we serve as liquidity market is going to swept before giving us the downtrend. Seriously, that's what I'm looking. That is what I'm looking for. Let's see the sell. The massive sell will happen is going to happen. So let's just wait here and see the sell. This place will serve as flip zone. Market is going to sweep this liquidity before going down, but it serve as flip zone for me. You can see it. This is the demand zone. I'm expecting the market to come. If I can see this demand zone, let's see what market is coming. But liquidity is here. I'm waiting for market to sweep this liquidity over here. From 1 hour, you can see from 1 hour you can see that liquidity is here because I'm seeing double bottom here. Liquidity is here for me. I'm waiting for market to sweep this liquidity here before continuing the uptrend. Seriously, that's what I'm waiting for market. I'm just waiting for market. Seriously, to sweep this liquidity here. I'm waiting for market to sweep this liquidity down here before continuing the uptrend. Seriously, that's what I'm expecting on BTC. The market is in uptrend, but I'm waiting for market because we have seen change of character. This is supply that this is going to this just say the sell. Let's just wait. But the confirmation must be on 5 minutes. We see change of character on 5 minutes. We change of character other block, and then the sell happen. Seriously, that's what I'm expecting. That's what I'm expecting. Let's move to interior. Let's see maybe we can see opportunity on interior also. The interior also, see what interior is also giving me. This is change of character here. You see, market mitigated. Let's start from daily time frame. It's showing uptrend on daily time frame, but I'm expecting the market to work because there is demand here. There is demand here. Market is going to sweep this liquidity before coming to this supply zone. Yeah, this is the supply zone. I'm expecting the market to come and touch. This is the supply zone. This is the swing blue. This you can see. This is the lower. This is the what? This is the high. This is the lower high. This is the lower high. This is the lower low. You can see this is the high. This is the high. This is the lower low. This is the lower high. This is the lower high again. This is the lower low because market take it out. Lower low. This is the high. This is the lower high. This is the lower low. Making swing high, swing low. We move to daily time. We move to 4 hours time frame. What do we see? We see what? We see but here I'm seeing demand here because this is another break of structure on daily time frame. You can see the demand here. This is the demand here. I'm seeing demand here. Demand is here. But market needs to come to the but I'm seeing market to sweep this liquidity before anything. Let's just move to 4 hour to continue the trend. You can see the 4 hours is telling us what? It's telling us uptrend. This is what the market is telling us uptrend. Seriously, the market is telling us uptrend. And if you can see, this is the demand here. The demand here is telling me liquidity here. These are liquidity because this is the break of structure. This is the break of structure. This is the break of structure, and this is the low that give us this high. This this is the supply zone. I'm expecting the market to come to this supply zone because this is the break of structure here. You can see the break of structure. Internal break of structure. After the internal break of structure, you can see the lower high, and which is to touch. This place serve as my supply zone here. This is the main supply zone. As you not lie for you, this is the main supply zone. This is the main supply zone. After let's move to 1 hour and see what the market is telling us on 1 hour. You can see for 1 hour, you can see the liquidity. You can see the change of internal. You can see it internal break of structure. And if you can see this serve as change of character. If I have to plot my change of character, this serve as change of character for me. Seriously, this place has served as liquidity for me. Liquidity for me. You can see this has served as support and resistance and support. and it serves as liquidity for me. I'm expecting market to come to this supply before any buy. This is the sell. This is the first sell we have. This is the first sell we have, and I'm seeing the inducement here, which liquidity is going to swept and give us what? Give us the sell. This is what I'm seeing. Yeah, this is demand zone because you can see there's FEG here. This is demand zone. I'm expecting the market to come. So let's just wait and see the confirmation from 5 minutes. If you see internal break of structure, definitely we are what? We are selling. Let's see what USDT has for us. Let's see good. Let's see what gold is going to do. If we can see change of character here, definitely we are buying. Definitely we are buying. But I pray market should come and sweep this liquidity. Yes, because the market is giving us, you can see the market is giving us, what? It's giving us this other block here. And this is change of character here. Let's see what the market is trying to do. Let's see what 1 minute is trying to do for us. If 1 minute can give us, you can see the 1 minute as we write on. Let's just see. But the buy is happening here. Let's see. We have to wait for here for the buy. Let's see US30, the 30 companies, what they ask for us. This is US30. This place has served as support resistance for me because market has touched it 2 times. From 4 hours, you can see for 4 hours, market has touched it 2 times. This is the first one, second one, and the market is coming back there. Let's just wait. From daily time frame, we are in uptrend. You know reason why this is the demand zone that pushes the market. But I'm still repeating it to the extremist demand zone is here because liquidity has swept over here. I'm waiting for market to come and mitigate this place before buy. So let's just wait for market because market is still coming back here. Market is still coming back down there. Let's move to 1 hour. This is the 1 hour. You can see this support, the resistance here. Let's just wait if market can sweep this liquidity from 1 hour. Let's see from 4 hours if first candle, because you can see the candle has been weak. When the candle is trying to touch this, resistance, you are seeing the wicked candle. We call it shaking candle. From those that's using for those that are using candle to trade, this is the opportunity. You can see the wicked candle when market is trying to mitigate that resistance. And if you can see, market has been dishing us what? It has been dishing us weak candle over there. What I'm having now is, if I can see change of character over here, or if liquidity sweep this market, definitely the market is coming down. It's coming down. I'm waiting for change of character. After change of character, the sell has happened. That is it on US30. Let's see on 30 minutes. We can see on 30 minutes. I'm seeing here as liquidity. Seriously, I'm seeing here as liquidity. This is my perfect change of character here. On 1 hour also, you will see that is the perfect change of character. That's the perfect change of character for here. Seriously, if you can see change of character here, which 30 minutes is giving us here also. If you can see change of character there, definitely the market is what is giving us uptrend, because this is the uptrend. Market is mitigated. The market is giving us downtrend. Let's always, you can see, if you can see change of character here, because those ones I'm seeing is as liquidity here. We can see this place was change of character also, but I'm seeing liquidity over here. So let's just wait for one candle for this to give us. But if it closes with full body candle and come back, that is price also call it price action, call it fake out. But I call it, but SMC should I call it what? Liquidity swept. So let's just wait. Let's just wait. Let's just wait to see what is going to happen. Let's move to Forex. Let's see what Forex has for us. GBPUSD from daily time frame. What's this saying? See what it's saying. This is supply zone here. I'm still expecting market to come down here. I'm still expecting market to come here from 4 hours time frame. You can see this is liquidity here. You can see the market as what? Has tried to sweep the liquidity. Has tried to sweep the liquidity. Let's see 1 hour. This is 1 hour. This is the 1 hour. This is the 1 hour. This trade, I did not take this trade yesterday. I didn't take this trade yesterday. Seriously. I didn't take this trade yesterday, but because the liquidity swept this place, and this is another break of structure. Let's just wait and see what the market is doing. But this is the supply zone. Let's just wait for this supply zone to short. We are selling from here. We are selling from here to continue the trend. Let me just see this market. I go to 5 minutes to see, maybe I can see this opportunity to take. But the market does not mitigate the supply zone. You can see this is the break of structure. I'm expecting market to come down here to come and mitigate it, but market doesn't mitigate it, which is from 30 minutes. Let's see what the market has for us. You can see we are having break of structure here. We are having break of structure here. We are having break of structure here, and this is the demand zone that give us this break of structure, which means market is coming down here back. Market is coming down here. Let's just wait. This place, this are liquidity market is going to sweat. If I'm taking this trade yesterday, I'm going to take this trade yesterday, but this are liquidity market is going to sweat. You can see we are having change of character. We are having change of character here over here. Internal change of character, and we are having what here? Change of character that block. Let's see 15 5 minutes. Let's see what 5 minutes telling us. Let's see 15 minutes. This is it. Market is going to sweat because this liquidity, this FEG. Let's just wait. Let's just wait. Let's see what is going to happen here. But this is the demand zone. I'm expecting market to come take the buy from. This way we are anticipating for the buy. because those places serve as liquidity. Seriously, they serve as liquidity for me. This place they serve as liquidity for me. I should just like they serve as liquidity for me. As for me, they are liquidity because you are seeing break of structure, and this is the overall break of structure here. And this way are internal break of structure, internal break of structure, internal break of structure cannot open here. This serves as liquidity for me. Liquidity me people are selling there, people are selling there. So liquidity here. After having the liquidity, let's just wait on 5 minutes. If you can see, let's just wait for this. If this can push the market down, definitely we are going down trend. But I'm seeing break of structure here. You see what I'm seeing? Break of structure. Market come back to it. Give us another buy. Let's if this cannot hold it, maybe this cannot this will hold it. This cannot hold it also because it's liquidity. I'm seeing liquidity here. If this cannot hold it, if this cannot hold it, this can hold it. But the market is buy. I'm expecting the buy to mitigate this supply zone. I'm expecting the buy to mitigate this supply zone. The market is buy, so let's just wait for the buy. Let's move to USDJPY. This trend has changed. This market has changed. So we just have to follow the market seriously. If you can see from daily time frame, we are having what uptrend. I'm expecting the market to come back to come and set this liquidity, but market does not come back, give us another uptrend. What do we need to do? Just need to follow the market. What we just need to do is just to follow the market. So this is what this is. This is uptrend. This is break of structure. This is break of structure. And this break of structure is what we have to apply our sense very well. We have to apply our sense very well. I'm still expecting market to come back, to come down here. From daily time frame, we are seeing break of structure. Let's just move to 1 hour to just continue the break of structure. This place will serve as liquidity for me. This place will serve as liquidity for me. I should just laugh for you. This place will serve as liquidity for me. This serve as liquidity for me. But to continue the buy, let's just continue the buy. This is recent break of structure here. Break of structure. Demand zone. On this way, if we see you have to confirm the market for 5 minute time frame since this is 1 hour. Yes, we do not know let me see the daily time frame. Maybe we have another. From daily time frame, this is another break. This is another supply zone. Okay, to the daily supply zone. Let's see. Let's see 4 hours. Maybe we have another key level of 4 hours. This is another key level of 4 hours. You can see break of structure here. This is another key level of 4 hours. But liquidity are here. This place are liquidity, seriously. Liquidity are here. Market is going to save this liquidity. So on 1 hour, what we are having, you just need to follow this market because you can see we have FEG here and this market is valid. Seriously, this break of structure is valid. I'm expecting market to come down here. You can see this is liquidity, break of structure, liquidity. Liquidity is here. Market is coming down here to come and buy. You can see the liquidity. Those are liquidity. Market is coming. Market is coming down to come and buy from there. I'm still expecting the buy. I'm still expecting the buy from here. Let's see what the market is asking for us. Let's move to euro. From daily time frame, we are seeing what downtrend, and this place. I'm expecting the market to come and get this place. Let's move to the 4 hours. 4 hours. Market has changed. What we just need to follow, you just need to follow the market. This is, as for me, this is change of character. This is internal break of structure here. You can see the internal break of structure is valid. What we need to do is just to follow the trend. Let's move to 1 hour and see maybe there is liquidity. I can see the liquidity here. I can see the liquidity here. So if market can come mitigate this place before dishing up the buy, you can see. And this is the what? These are the supply zone. And this supply zone, I'm seeing liquidity here also, sef, because there's FEG here. There's FEG here. So I'm seeing this liquidity here. Liquidity are also here, sir. Liquidity are also here. I'm seeing liquidity here because you can see these are liquidity. So I'm expecting the market to buy from here. This is my surprise one before. The market was swept this place. After sweeping it, after breaking it, what it has turned to. Let's see what market. I'm expecting the buy here because I'm seeing liquidity here. This place serve as liquidity for me. This place serve as liquidity for me. Seriously, I'm expecting this place as liquidity for me. If market can sweep this liquidity and continue the uptrend. But from 1 hour, what we are seeing was downtrend, break of structure to downtrend. This is supply zone. Let's see what market has here. Let's see GBPUSD also. GBPUSD is teaching us the sell. But this trade, I didn't take this trade yesterday. Seriously, I didn't take this trade yesterday. I don't even place itself. Let me move to daily time frame. Let's see what's happening in daily time frame. Daily time frame is telling us what? Sell. We have supply zone here. We have supply zone here. Which market has swept this liquidity over here? After market swept this liquidity, give us break of structure here. You can see the break of structure, but this demand zone, I'm expecting the market to push the market up again. If you can see change of character here, definitely the trend has changed. but the market is giving me break of structure here. Internal break of structure, and you can see this is the price of, but this is where I plotted my supply zone. Let me see, go and see 1 hour. This is where I plotted my supply zone yesterday on 1 hour, forgetting that there is that there are liquidity. Those are liquidity, that this is the high. So market didn't touch the stop loss, but this shows how many the market this shows. Market this shows what? This one has gone. This one has gone. Let me redo it for you. This is the supply zone. After market swept this liquidity, give us supply zone here. Market mitigated the supply zone. Let's move to 1 hour. This 1 hour time frame. What this 1 hour is telling us, see what the 1 hour is telling us. The 1 hour, this was give us what? Break of structure here. And this is the demand, so I'm expecting the market to for the buy. Seriously, this way I'm expecting for the buy. Same too on euro. 1 hour too, I'm expecting this play as buy also. Let's just wait. Let's see market here. You can see the market there. Definitely we are buying. You see the market selling here. On 15 minutes, the market is selling here. This sell is valid. Seriously, this sell is valid because the market has changed to change of character here. This is change of character over here. So this sell is valid for me. This sell is valid for me because on 15 minutes we are having break of structure, internal break of structure here. And they said, let's wait for here. If you can see change of character on 5 minutes, definitely we are buying. We are buying to this next supply zone here. To this next supply zone here. Yes. Let's just wait for the market. Let's see what the market has for us. That's what I have for you, farms. Thanks. I really appreciate. Before we run off, don't forget to share, subscribe, comment, like, and turn up the notification button. Thanks. One love. I really appreciate it. Thanks for the support. Bye. Have a nice day. Peace and love.